हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं अल गज़ल का प्राइम एक्सेस परफ्यूम का रिव्यू शेयर करने वाली हूँ। दिस इज़ हाउ द बॉटल लुक्स लाइक। थोड़ी सी रिफ्लेक्टिव पैकेजिंग है, सो इट मे बी अनकम्फर्टेबल फॉर यू टू वॉच क्योंकि थोड़ा सा रिफ्लेक्शन आएगा, सो आई अपोलोजाइज अबाउट दैट। बट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट दिस फ्रेग्रेंस फुल ब्लोन रिव्यू, सो लेट्स बिगिन। बिफोर वी डू सो, मेक श्योर कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया, यू हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन एंड यू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। एंड नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Let's talk about the packaging. It comes in this black box which is like very basic box, and यहाँ पे details लिखे हुए हैं product के बारे में which is Prime Access, and पीछे की तरफ ये सब details हैं manufacturing and all of that. A very basic box basically, and this is how the bottle looks like. It's like a shiny mirror reflective bottle which is like circular, and Prime Access is right here, and this is how the cap is, and cap is very tight तो काफ़ी force से खींचना पड़ता है. And this is how the atomizer is. Just spraying this on the strip so that you see how the atomizer is. Nice sprayer and kind of like has a very nice diffuses the product well. This perfume is a very different, fresh, spicy fragrance in my opinion. This opens up with a blast of citruses and fruitiness. I think it has mandarin orange, citruses, bergamot, lemon, and it has hints of eucalyptus oil in it, and definitely has this balsamicness and lavender. Yeah, the balsamic note is very strong in this one. You get a nice green earthy feel in this fragrance. Then you have heavy woodiness and patchouli in the base, and it does have some fruitiness in the opening as well. So along with mandarin, I do get a hint of pineapple in this. So it's like fruitiness meets balsamic meets lavender meets calmness and earthiness. So I really love this scent profile. It is so balanced. Now this one is a pour home fragrance. That means it is marketed for men. For me, this one is a pure unisex fragrance. I enjoy this so much. Like I really like this time of the year when we are transitioning from winters to summers, and this springtime and summer's time, I think I am going to really enjoy this one. I'm going to go very heavy handed with this fragrance because freshy fragrances tend to perform less on me, so I go a little overboard with my sprays. With this one I take around 8 to 10 sprays, and with that I get a longevity of 6 hours, which is not bad because fresh fragrances do not last on me. I don't know the reason, but it does not. So I just have to go overboard. I do refresh my fragrance once in 5 hours, so I do that with this fragrance as well. I just love the way it wraps me with a lot of freshness. This is a perfect office going fragrance, and men women both can wear this during daytime. This one is one of the best freshies in the market to wear. Very different, very beautiful, very intoxicating in a way. It's a very attractive scent profile, and this could be a good conversation starter as well, because many people tend to ask what you're wearing, because like you have a nice fresh aura to yourself. Has a very clean girl vibe as well to it. Overall, I'm very impressed with this scent profile. I am not the person, by the way, who is into fresh fragrances, and still I'm like going gaga about this fragrance, because this is not your basic cleaning product scent kind of a perfume. This freshie is complicated, and it has a lot of nuances and a lot of layers to it, which I absolutely appreciate and love. That is the reason that I'm like really enjoying this one. I think my overall rating on this one is almost 8 or 9 out of 10. I really seem to love this scent profile, and I highly recommend you to get this one in a budget 1499 rupees. That too, you will get this on around 20 to 30% discount. So consider around 1100 budget. You will get this, and this is such a nice fragrance. Everyone in the family can use it, any age can use it. So I love this one, highly recommend it, and I enjoy wearing this one a lot. So yeah, that completes my review for Prime Access from Al Ghazal. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.